In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account to Google Authenticator on iPhone and use 2FA codes. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts by requiring a time-based code in addition to your password. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set up an account in Google Authenticator on your iPhone and how to use the code when you sign in. Start by opening the Google Authenticator app on your iPhone. You'll see your existing accounts if you've added any before. To add a new one, look for the plus button in the bottom right corner and tap it. This brings up two options: scan a QR code or enter a setup key. Choose the method the service you're using provides. If you choose scan a QR code, hold your iPhone so the camera can see the QR code shown by the service you're setting up, like your email provider or payment service. Make sure the code is well lit and fully in frame. You don't need to press the shutter. The app will recognize the code automatically. If the code doesn't scan right away, adjust your distance slightly or tilt your phone to avoid glare. If you choose enter a setup key, type the account name, something descriptive so you can recognize it later, and then carefully enter the key or code provided by the service. Double-check each character before proceeding, since a single typo will prevent the code from working. Avoid copying spaces or extra punctuation if you're pasting from somewhere else. After you've scanned the QR code or entered the setup key, tap Add. The account will appear in Google Authenticator, showing a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. You'll notice a small countdown indicator next to the code. If it's about to expire, wait for the next cycle so you have plenty of time to enter it. Now use this code when logging into the service that requires 2FA. After entering your username and password, the site will prompt you for a verification code. Open Google Authenticator, find the matching account name, and type in the current 6-digit code. If the code changes while you're typing, that's normal. Just enter the latest one. If you see an error, wait for the next code and try again, making sure you selected the correct account. That's it. You've successfully added an account to Google Authenticator and learned how to use your rotating 2FA codes to keep your accounts safer.